Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. In this one, I'm going to show you children and young people activity data from Sports England. Here is the schema, Active Lives CYP. I'm using a Snowflake from now on because in Snowflake we're making report views which combine the fact tables and the organisation descriptions and geography descriptions. So in this database, we've got a few tables. Just to give you a quick glance inside each one. During outside school hours, you can see the sorts of measures they've got there. It's just repeating over and over again. The same again, but by region. And groups within less active. You can see the sorts of measures there. And by region, same again. And then levels of activity. And you can see the measures there. And among that data, there's data going back to August 2018 to August last year, 22,000 rows. So if you want to try that data out, you can get a 30-day free trial through Snowflake. See the link below. Thanks.